Hey guys, Rich here with the tool swing. I got a bunch of parts, not all of them, but here's the cranks I got, just to show you what the kind of stuff I got to deal with. I don't know why, but stuff happens. I got a bunch of these cranks. Thank God I didn't order them all. But of course they come with this bevel, or bevel with chamfer at the wrong degree. And since they already put the bends in them, they can't get them back in their machine to chamfer them, right? So I figured out this deal on this Hercules. I tell you what, I have a smaller one, Craftsman, and I've used it for years. I bought this Hercules one. It's a 1 horsepower motor, 2x48 inch belt. Here's the setup I did to chamfer those, right? Supposed to be 82 degrees, so I got this set at 82 degrees. And I tell you what, this thing's working well. I can't believe it, how well it works. Plenty of power. I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple. I'm gonna set the camera up and do a couple and let you guys see how well it works. I'm not pushing real hard because I don't want to get them real hot. So I'm just going nice and easy. But man, that belt grinder, man, it makes easy work out of it. I can also, once I get that belt, I kind of started on this far edge of the belt. If I want to turn it over and use more, and I can just keep turning it over, you know, until she runs out. But she's working super well. I can't complain. It don't take long to do each one. But that's it. I just wanted to show you guys how that was working. It's working real well. So like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Appreciate it.